At the recycling center in Columbia, workers are sorting through some of the 10,000 tons of aluminum, paper, and plastics that residents put into recycling bins every year. That's a huge amount of trash that won't go into the city's landfill. But the problem is, too many people toss in items that cannot be recycled. Things such as unemptied food or drink containers, certain types of plastics, and styrofoam. This is called recycling contamination, and it's a costly problem. This year, almost 14% of all recycled waste was contaminated. That means workers had to sort it and ship it, costing the city just under $50,000 this year alone.
When the wrong things get in there, they end up in the trash. So that cuts into the operating costs. Plus, the people on the line, the sorters, that takes them more time. They have to pick off that trash. They have to touch it when they could be reaching for a recyclable instead of reaching for something that's going to go in the trash.
The city is working to educate residents and businesses about what can and cannot be recycled with television ads and mailers.
It's been a problem from day one. It's always an educational effort. For instance, number 1 and number 2 plastics are our only plastics that we process here.
In particular, Mitchell says when food finds its way into the center, it causes problems on the production line and really makes a mess.
Leaving food in containers is another one, or liquids. There's a lot of people that recycle their beverage containers and they're partially full of water or soft drinks. So we get a lot of liquid contamination going through, and it ends up bailing, smashing out, and causing a mess.
Mitchell says if you're going to recycle, you have to do it the right way. Do not recycle partially filled food or drink containers. Only recycle number 1 and number 2 plastics. Columbia facilities take no other kind of plastic. And styrofoam is just not recyclable. Following these simple guidelines can save the city thousands of dollars each year. Reporting in Columbia, Jennifer Lask, KUMU 8 News.